Hello, welcome back. I'm just driving down to Reedham. I thought I'd drive along the riverside and have a look and see what's happening there. Lots of people always say about Norfolk's big open skies, so I think this is a very good example. So here we are. I'm just going to turn off here to the right and then we'll be at the riverside. I always think this riverside area looks so pretty all times of the year. It doesn't matter when you drive down here, it always looks really nice. So now that I've parked up, just having a look around, and instantly I spot the seal basking in the sunshine under the railway bridge, the swing bridge here at Reedham. The trains go over and he doesn't seem to mind at all. I'm now looking along the river in the opposite direction and it's very quiet. But the ranger boat, as you'll see in a little while, seems to be doing some sort of trials or some training for somebody. I'm not sure what. Anyway, back to the seal. He's still fast asleep. I can hear a train is approaching the bridge. So despite the noise of the train directly above him, he isn't bothered in the slightest. I was busy watching the train going over that I didn't actually realise there's a boat approaching. Once it's got a bit closer and the other side of this sign, you'll be able to see it better. The seal isn't disturbed by the wash from the boat either. He just carries on sleeping, as you'll see. Once this train has gone over the bridge, it will then open to allow a cruiser to go through. Doesn't that look lovely? It's called Gentle One, and it's definitely gently gliding through the water there. If you pay attention to the gull on the post, he keeps looking down at the seal. I wonder what that's about. As the swing bridges are open, you can see the track inside. Remember earlier I said I thought the ranger boat was doing some training or maybe testing out the boat? I don't know, but there they are again. They seem to go up the river, turn round, and then practice mooring. I've speeded up this piece of footage of the bridge closing. It just makes it easier to see if you're not familiar with what it does. If it was going slowly, you hardly see it move at all, but I've just speeded it up for you. I've now left the riverside area and I've driven down to where the ferry is. And I've just climbed up the steps and I'm stood on the riverbank and I'm just in time to see the ferry across to the other side. The view from that mill must be incredible. Cantley Sugar Factory presently closed due to unforeseen circumstances. Apparently some of the machinery broke, so it's in total shutdown. Making my way down to the marshes as this moorhen is walking towards the pub. Sometimes I spot quite a lot happening here at the marshes, but today it's all very quiet, apart from this moorhen I've just managed to spot in the reeds. I'm making my way back to my car, and in the hedge beside the car park is a little group of sparrows, sunning themselves, but occasionally they have a little sing to themselves or to each other. They're very sweet. I do like sparrows. I've always liked sparrows. I know they get overlooked by a lot of people, but they are so sweet. There was about 5 of them in the hedge, all quite happy, enjoying the sunshine. They blend in so well to their surroundings, but how many can you see in this clip? As this video is coming to an end, I'd just like to thank you all for watching. And I'd also like to thank the people who have gifted this last week through the super thanks button. Thank you all so much. And also somebody gifted via PayPal. So thank you to you as well. It's all very much appreciated and always goes towards the making of my future videos. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I only ask you to do that because that helps my channel grow and reach a greater audience. You may remember last weekend I filmed the harbours in North Norfolk. So tomorrow, Saturday, I'll be filming harbours in Suffolk for you. And hopefully that'll be ready for Sunday. So for now, from the sparrows and I, it's goodbye. Thank you for watching.